Hello everyone. Today is my day. So, thank you sa lahat ng bumabati at sumusuporta ng aking channel. Salamat sa members ng Team Uptick na hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin sila. Palaging sumusuporta sa aking channel. So, ako po ay nagpapasalamat ng lubos sa inyong lahat. At hanggang ngayon ay nandiyan pa rin kayo. Hindi pa rin kayo umaalis kahit punti na lang tayo. Yung iba punta na ng ibang planeta. So, yun lang. So, yung pakinggan natin yung mga greetings ng ating members. So, thank you everyone sa greetings nyo. Bye.
Sir Cancel, thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel before and until now. I really appreciate it. And this song is for you. Also, happy birthday! Yay! You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there. 'Cause I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2. You'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh yeah.
Tito Cancel, I made this banana cupcake for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Cancel. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys, so ngayon babati ako sa ating pinaka-supportive na kaibigan. Pinaka-supportive dito sa YT. Kahit dito sa YT. Supportive talaga yan si Cancel TV. Hi Bes, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best ha. Good health always. Ang edad rin dako doon, pero ang kinahanglan labyo gidyapo mo. So, happy birthday Bes.
Everyone, binabati ko po ang lahat na nanonood ngayon sa video na ito ni Cancel TV, and today is his birthday. I want to greet you a happy birthday. And medyo hindi okay yung timing kasi tinan mo, medyo may pimples ako ngayon, pero because it's your special day tomorrow, I am greeting you the happiest birthday that you can ever have, and wishing you good health, syempre, and happiness, and sana ay lumago pa ang iyong channel, at pati din po yung channel ko. You can check my channel out po. It's Michelle Quintia Vlogs. I do lifestyle, fitness, and everything under the sun. And you might want to check it out, and baka maging subscriber ko rin kayo. Thank you. And once again, happy birthday po, Cancel TV. Enjoy your special day. Have a blast. Cheers!
So, hi everyone. Ako na akong landscape mo gud siya ba? Ngita sa angle do, pero kadin gud siya. So karon, dawa. Namo kay nag-request ba niya. Dugay-dugay na bayad jud taod na dito, wala ta ka video o wala ta ka content kay wala lang. Pero namo gyud nag-request gud niya. And siyempre, birthday po niya. Dili po siya makasay no, ani nga tawhana kay mo man din nagtabang sa pag-adake. Labi na itong pagpalampo sa atong channel. Niya, tanawa. Dumgilipstikan dito ka dum kay para dun dili luspad ang aura ba. So, to our founder at Team Uptick, happy birthday. And may the Lord bless you always, and good health. I know you struggle a lot. Kung may sinubok kayo ng panahon, but still you stand firm and nakabangon. And I know that you are a good father and a good partner, so I wish you all the best and happy birthday. And I found a friend, a brother by Sir Cancro TV or Roy. So happy birthday, Dom, and God bless you always.
Cancro TV, happy birthday, Doll. Sana bigyan ka pa ng more blessings, tsaka good health lagi. Yun lang yung wish namin sa'yo, and sana magkita-kita tayo soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Doll! Ang masasabi ko lang, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng tulong na ginawa mo kami, lalo na ng buong Abtik family. Sana mas dumami pa tayo at sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. Yun lang. Sana marami pang birthday pala ang dumating. Ingat lagi, Idol.
Magbukbang ka po, Hon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, admin. So, basta happy birthday ha nya. Enjoy sa imong bakasyon dira. Father ng Team Abtik, and enjoy your vacation. Deserve mo yan. So, God bless always, Idol, and yun, ingat, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, our bossing Doll Cancro TV, and more birthdays to come, Doll, and blessings on your way, and keep safe always and stay healthy, yan. And thank you for all the help sa lahat ng support mo palagi sa ating team. Thank you so much, Doll. Mabuhay ka at gusto mo. Mahal ka namin. God bless.
Good morning! So happy birthday sa pinakagwapo, macho, abtik na mong admin, walay lain, Sir Cancro TV. Happy birthday, sir. Wish you all the best in life. And tagan pa ka og taas pa nga tuig sa imong kinabuhi. Salamat sa free play dira, sir, hanga 1 hour per minute. Thank you so much. And stay humble and kind, and always remember God is always with us. Happy birthday, sir! Bye-bye!
Po kayong lahat dyan. Nandito po ako sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia na bumabati sa inyo ng magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. At happy birthday, Admin Cancro TV. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong mo sa akin. Salamat po sa lahat ng biyaya na natatanggap ko, sa lahat ng ayuda. Happy birthday po! Ingat lagi, more revenues to come, more trending videos to come, higit sa lahat, more success sa iyong channel. God bless us all. Salute, Admin Cancro TV. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, naging singer ko dahil sa'yo, ha? Happy birthday, Sir Cancro TV. Sana marami pang kaarawan na darating sa'yo. More blessings to come. At sana maging successful na itong YT natin. Lalo na yun sa'yo. Enjoy your day. You deserve it. Because today is your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sir Roy, founder of Team Abtik. A person as inspiring and as wonderful as you deserves to be celebrated each and every day. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta sa aking mga premieres. Sana po ay magtuloy-tuloy pa po ang Team Abtik. Again, happy birthday po, Sir Roy. God bless and stay safe. Mabuhay po kayo! Enjoy your day!
Everyone, gusto ko lang pang batiin ang aming head admin sa Team Abtik na si Dol Cancelo TV. I wish you all the best, sir. Enjoy your day and have a blessed day. Happy birthday! And thank you sa lahat, sa support. Alam ko na sobrang bait mo, so bless ka talaga. And happy birthday uli! Bye-bye!
Guys, it's me, Edna Global Channel. So today's video guys is nice ko lamang sanang batiin si Sir Castro ng happy birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo dyan, host. Ingat ka palagi dyan at sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Yan, ang kalusugan, huwag pabayaan at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo yan. At maraming salamat nga pala sa mga pagtulong mo sa aming mga member yan, sa pag-play mo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Once again, happy birthday at ingat palagi dyan. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! Bye-bye!
Hello! Dol Cancelo TV. Ayan, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. Wish na more birthdays to come. Good health, strength, and more revenue and blessing to come. And I hope na maging masaya kayo sa kaarawan ninyo. And thank you so much na lagi kayong nangunguna and Team Abtik. And thank you. Nakilala ko kayo, co-admins and members. Yan. And thank you so much sa unending love and support. Ayan, thank you so much and enjoy your Didol. And ayan lang ang masasabi ko. Happy birthday ulit and may God bless you more. Bye-bye!
I just realized I've built walls a mile high to protect my heart.